Welcome to our video on the Wheeler Digital Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench. When it comes to firearm maintenance and gunsmithing, precision is key. And there's no better tool for achieving that precision than this torque wrench. This innovative tool comes equipped with interchangeable bits and an LCD display, allowing you to accurately torque every screw and bolt on your firearm to the manufacturer's recommended settings. With the ability to change out bits quickly and easily, you'll never be left scrambling to find the right tool for the job. And the digital display ensures that you'll always know the exact amount of torque you're applying to each screw and bolt, making sure that you don't over-tighten and damage your firearm. Whether you're a seasoned gunsmith or a beginner just starting out, the Wheeler Digital Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench is the perfect tool for maintaining your firearms with precision and accuracy. So why wait? Get your hands on the Wheeler Digital Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench today and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your firearms are being maintained with the utmost precision. Overall, the video aims to showcase the features and benefits of the Wheeler Digital Firearms Accurizing Torque Wrench in a clear and concise manner. It highlights the tool's versatility, ease of use, and precision, while also emphasizing its suitability for gunsmiths of all levels of experience.